So in a previous video, I created this opening for the washroom and removed the door here into the rec room. And it has created a whole new set of joints to fill. This here is packed out to be flush with this wall. So there's a flat joint. Then I need an outside corner joint, an inside corner, outside, 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 outside. And for a beginner finisher, such as myself, it's going to be quite challenging. After removing the door jamb, I'm left with the 2x4 framing, and drywall mud will adhere to wood very well. So I'm going to put a corner on here, here, and then just mud that centerpiece. Another way of looking at drywall mud, think of it as a sandable adhesive. So I've already prepped the outside corners. Probably could be a little thicker. Noise. See, I'm pressing it hard and then just let it relax to where it wants to be. Noise. Do all the rest the same way. So I'd like to share the benefits of this style corner. It's a laminated product. You got paper on the front and then paper here laminated to a polymer core, and it's called no coat. And what that means, line it with mud just like you normally would. Squeeze that in there, and in reality you don't have to go to the edge. It doesn't have a protruded nose like the traditional one. You could mud right to here and be finished. The composite polymer core will fare better against blunt force trauma versus metal. Here's a comparison. Purchased this one at Home Depot and this one at my local hardware store. This one has a metal core lined with paper. The nose is protruded. This one is lined with paper, has a polymer core, paper on this side, and a straight 90, which leaves you a nice smooth surface. This is an outside corner. Could be used for an inside corner. However, this would be more compatible for an inside corner since it's lined with paper. Price-wise, this one's a bit more, but it's a superior product. So I'm going to do this flat, this corner, and this inside corner all in one shot. I just push it in and then let it relax. And it doesn't matter if you're off a little bit on squareness here, because you don't have to come out to the edge. It's a nice feature. So we want to get this paper line tight, which is right here. You want to get that tight. And then the entire corner, paper right here, that ridge, tight. So we got some pre-fill. Wipe off the excess. Ready for the flat. You're applying tape, uniform mud, and you can see the joint all in one motion. Center, top to bottom. So I'm gonna have to push real hard to get this mud out. Get a flat joint. That looks good. The glove trowel, look at that. Nice. Now we'll just put a coat on everything. Tie everything together. Say, why do you get your blade wet first? I don't know. Seems to flow better. Nice! And we want to feather this edge, which means more weight on this side. Straight down. Yeah. Nice! I suggest when you're cleaning your corner to go this way versus this way, because you risk chewing into the paper if the blade's real sharp. So I'll let that dry and do a skim coat from here to here tomorrow. I'm going to put the second coat on. I've jumped up to an 8-inch knife. Mud's pretty thin. Whoa! After you get the mud on the wall, you just get it uniform, as wide as your trowel. And have all the voids filled in. And as I get access, I just transfer it over here, because I'll be doing that next. I'm going to rest the trowel right here and over here and go right down. That doesn't look too good. Not bad. Of course, you're always going to have that lift off. Now I want to feather, more pressure this side. Nice. So here, the same thing. Get all the voids filled in. Nice and thick. And I'm not going to do the final pass, I'm just going to start thinning to see how the voids are filling. And just keep doing this. You can see I need more mud here. So I keep mud on the trowel to fill those by picking up mud down here. It's almost filled. That's pretty full. And when I get the whole joint looking like that, which it's in that state now, clean both sides of your knife so there's no chance of boogers. Then apply pressure. Next coat would fill that in. I'll just try it for the heck of it. See, there's a little line there. Pretty good. And there's the top joint I've already done. Last coat. Get all the noogies off. Then I'm going to mud the entire area with a semi-uniform coat. huge joint. Whoa! So I'm going to leave a lift off there and then go from here. Nice! I'll let this dry, give it a light sand, show the final results. Inspection, right? Let's get a closer look. Ready for paint. I got a little aggressive on that corner. You can see the metal. Oops. There appears to be a little bit of paper showing right there. I believe some paint would take care of that. That door's in the way. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to see how I created this opening and installed the door, or see the process of getting this ceiling back in order, watch me struggle doing patchwork, mud and tape, I'll provide a link right here, over there,